Okay, welcome back, viewers. I'm Mr. Wagden, and I'll welcome you to our another session of calculator tricks. With me right now, I'm having two calculators here, and I think after the last video, we mentioned that we are supposed to do something on resetting a calculator. If you look at my two calculators, this one shows D, and we agreed that D is the normal mode that you are supposed to use unless otherwise stated if you are calculating something different. Now on the second calculator, instead of D, I'm having an R, and I told you always be curious when you are given a calculator to check the mode, or if you don't have to check, then you have to always reset it before you do any calculations. I just want to show you how sometimes the calculator can mess you up. Like for example, let's try to look for the sine of angle 30, 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 that's 0.5. If I use this other calculator, sine of angle 30, now if you look at the display there, I'm having a different answer from this, but they are all calculating sine 30. That's why I said always check the mode so that you're sure that your calculator is displaying the right mode, and then you can continue doing your calculation. So today we shall I'll be showing you how you can reset your calculator, and apart from that, we are going to look at how we can actually use the calculator to fill the table of values in case we wanted to draw a quadratic curve in graphical solution of quadratic equations. You can see there's a table here which is already filled with values of x and y. So always the function like what we're having here is y x squared take away x minus 6. So you are given the values of x, and then you need to calculate the values of y, of which you can go the manual way, but remember we need to save time so that you end up earning marks in a short time. So first things first, we need to see how we can reset a calculator, and then we shall confirm if we are going to get the same answer on sine 30. So to reset, we have shift, and then you go to mode, and then option 3, and then you think equals to, you press equals to, and then it takes you back to 0. And then here I also have to shift, and then you go to mode, and then you option 3, then equals to severally. So let's see, the answer there is 0 here, and so forth. We can try. Now I'll look for sine 30 again. Sine 30 gives you 0.5 now, and also this side sine 30 gives you the same thing, 0.5. So at least the calculator is reset. I'll show you again. To reset, you click, you press shift, mode, and then option 3, then you press equals until you have a 0. So that is a calculator that is reset. Now the other thing that we were to look at was how we can complete a table of values in case you are given a function like the one being displayed here, x squared take away x minus 6. Now given such a function, and you need to complete the table easily, first of all, we know we can do it manually, which is not wrong, but we need to save time. So the function says y equals to x squared take away x, and then take away 6, and we are given x values. You can see the x values are ranging from -5 up to +5. So for each x value you have to look for the y value, of which if we go manually, this will be y equals to x squared, that will be -5 squared, and then take away x, and that will be take away negative 5. Take away negative 5, and then we take away 6, and this translates to negative 5 squared, that will be 25, and then negative negative, we end up with a positive 5, and then take away 6. So this gives us a 30, take away 6, and the answer is 24. The way it is indicated there, you get 24. If you can check the table, the first value, if we use x equals to minus 5, we get 24. Now we can feed the function in the calculator where we have x. We are going to use the answer key. So this answer key is going to be our x when I'm writing the equation, or when I'm feeding the equation in the calculator. So I'll have it says x squared, so I'll have answer squared, and then take away answer because it's x, and then take away 6. Take away 6, and then you press equals to. Don't worry about what is displayed as the answer. Now you'll key in your first value of x, which is negative 5, and remember negative 5, use the negative function is this one. This one is for difference, or when you are subtracting. So I'll press negative 5 equals to, and then you can replay to see what was the function, and then if you press equals to, you have the first value, which is 24. Now if you wanted the next value, which is for negative 4, I'll just press negative 4 again, and then I say equals to, then I replay to bring back the function, and then equals to, it gives me the next value, which is 14. And so you can carry on like that until you complete your table, and that is, you'll have saved a lot of time, and you end up with your curve drawn. Remember, this is very, very important for those candidates who are going to sit for their mathematics. If you want to save time, you can use some of the calculator tricks here to save your time. Now I want to believe that there are those who have been helped in this video, and you can forward to more candidates so that they can look at it to help them prepare for the forthcoming exams. We shall be doing another video, and that will be how we can solve a quadratic equation using a calculator. So we shall look at the way we can feed the whole equation in the calculator and get the values. Remember, when you're having